Hello, Scribblies. I was doing some off, offline fishing. I'll show you what I got. I got this because I fished up another fishing rod, which was this one. This one. So I got this enchanted book that has fire protection 4 and silk touch. I'm gonna use it for silk touch. There's fire protection 3, infinity 1, lure 2. Dip Strider 2, Flame 1, Fire Expect 1, and Sharpness 3. And then over here I've got Luck of the Sea 3, Unbreaking 3, Lure 3, Luck of the Sea E3, Lure 3, Luck of the Sea 2, Unbreaking 3, Lure 2, Unbreaking 3, Luck of the Sea E2, Lure 2, Luck of the Sea 2, Lure 2, and Unbreaking 3, Luck of the Sea 3, and Lure 3. Then over here I've got a Power 5 book, 4 bow. Unbreaking 3, Power 3. Unbreaking 3, Infinity 1. Unbreaking 3, Infinity 1, Punch 2. Power 3. Unbreaking 3, Power 3. I also got 4 ink stacks, 38 pufferfish, 3 sticks, 8 name tags, 8 saddles, 2 clownfish, 4 lily pads, 64 raw fish, 55 raw fish, 58 raw salmon, 22 cooked salmon, and 53 cooked fish. I still need to cook these though, and then I'm going to have these in my inventory for food, and I'm going to get name tags ready. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, I got one suggested to be me by my sister. Cleo, like Cleopatra. Well, it's night school. Let's sleep first. Okay. Cleo, come here. Cleo. Color are you? You're blue. Or yellow. Oh, right next to Preston. Okay, I've got to ask my friend a question. And for the next one. And yeah. Its name is adorable. Next one. Oops, I clicked on YouTube instead of Messenger. Just waiting for it to load. Okay, after she just has to respond. Until then, we're gonna get the name tag ready. Okay, let's go this way. I'm only using one hand because the other hand's texting. There we go. Okay. Okay, I've got 3 names to do that were suggested by all my friends. Well, this one wasn't suggested, but I'm just gonna be nice. K-P-O-T-A-T-O. I spelled that wrong. Wow. Okay. Potato. We got potato. We've got... Now these are names suggested by my friends. We got Ben. We got Dylan. And then we got Paul. All my friends like these names and suggested them for some. I was gonna do this for some. What was the other name? I'm pretty sure I spelled that wrong. Let's see. Yeah, I spelled that wrong. Okay. That should be it. Melissa. And those were the ones that were suggested. I just gotta figure out which color they wanted it to be. This one's gonna be dark green and lime green, and dark green and lime green. This one's purple. I don't know about these two. I just gotta ask my friends. Okay.
Scan complete. Warning. Reimage has found errors that require your attention. Click Start Repair to resolve these issues.
Right. Now I just gotta ask the other person. Okay, I just got the messages back. So potato's gonna be magenta, and Melissa's gonna be pink. Okay, I need to mute my mic real quick. Okay, I got all the colors. So this will be the lime green one. Sorry, I just got a text. Actually, 2 texts, but okay. Okay, let's find the lime green. That is magenta. Oh, that's potato. There's lime green. And green. That is that pink? Okay, I gotta ask my friend if magenta will do. If not, I will dye another color purple. Okay. That's pink and that's Melissa. Okay, I need to find green and purple. I'm gonna just name my donkey Paula. Okay. Ooh, I'm being called by a stranger. Ignore. I gotta text my friend back. I'm gonna tell her if magenta wouldn't do, if magenta, I text really slow. Dye on other another color I can't spell, so it's taking me a while. Purple. Okay, we're all good. So it's not night. Okay, I still have 2 name tags left that I don't know what to name after. And I'm gonna tell her I'm in the middle of recording right now. In the middle of record now. There we go. Okay, I still don't know what to name 2 of them. I don't know what to do for the rest of them. Wait, it looks like they're out smelting. Okay. There we go. I'll show you guys, I'll prove to you guys that there is a spider spawner. I'm just not taking this down ever. This way. This way, follow the iron ore this time. Here. Over here. Over here. 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 Do I go up or down? There's more iron over here. 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 Trying to make sure it leads to the spider spawner, you know? Okay, irons all along here. 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 See? Spider spawner. I was planning to do this so I could take down the ore. Here we go. We'll line up so we have a staircase straight down to the spider spawner. There we go. Oh, I keep recording too long. Anyways, bye guys. I'm just gonna mine the staircase.